Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Meditate, and seek source energies. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., July 21, 2020. The universe works in a beautiful perfect way. Set your intention, and think of what reality you desire, and the universe takes the load, lift it up and make it happen. The universal divine mind is like several atlases holding Earth, and similar inhabited planets like us, and make things work as you think of it, like clockwork. Some manifest in an instant and others through several incarnations. Infinite beings are not subject to time nor space, while native Earth humans live short lives of 70 to 100 plus years, but some of them in human form are volunteers to raise Gaia's consciousness and humanity together. Accelerate awareness and awakening through constant meditation and realize the power of the source energy within. Realize their lives, our light guides and ascended masters evolve and expand together with humans closer to vibration of knowing we are source energy beings, to the vibration we are close to. The reality is, you are source energy beings, the creator of your own reality, and the universe makes everything happen. Learn it from meditation. Tune yourself to your power of intuition, visualization and intention, your higher self, and high-frequency beings, that you may have routine guidance in your lives who provide simple messages like relax and sleep on it, and other more complex ones, like you are a multidimensional being. Always be aware that the more you go to deep meditation, the faster you connect to the divine mind and higher realm beings. Take rhythmic deep breaths, open your heart's minds, connect to the divine, and your journey to oneness will move fast as spiritual abundance, love and peace will reign your whole being. It is fascinating to know that this stage of our evolution, high-frequency beings above the 5th to the 12th frequency in non-physical form are bestowed of spiritual prosperity, joy and happiness, not subject to separation, who respond to our call. Most of them never experience living with a physical body. Good for humanity we did. Our lives in physical form is the latest creator's experiment. Live in peace, in pure love, and cast out what other beliefs peddle in most cases for dark beings' desire for money and free labor. Do not be judgmental. Learn the truth from meditation, as it is not hard labor to attain oneness with sources peddled by the dark, but love, service and kindness to other beings. When you are open and place yourselves to a high vibrational state, your feelings will teach you the right path. Trust source energy, who allows you to co-create what you desire on this planet. Humans did the impossible, subjected to hard work and polarity, but despite odds, we co-created our beautiful reality that light beings never did. In deep meditation, know, to surrender to the Creator is to submit yourself to the Creator for complete and absolute healing. The more you achieve and practice this, the more connected you will become with the Creator, gradually transforming your entire being into love. With sacred love, your brother and friend, Master Jesus, Yeshua, Maitreya, of the consciousness of Christ. We ask you to take time, live in silence, meditate more and fully erase the clutter in your brain, thence love and peace within yourself will reign. With being aware, it brings unconditional love, compassion, peace and kindness to all of us who are free, evolving, expanding and on track to a higher vibration. Light and love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., August 5, 2019. You desire to be an entrepreneur, you are. You want to be a physician, a pilot, an engineer, a nurse or a medical doctor, you are. You want to be a carpenter, I help. You are the creator of your reality unless you forgot it, but you are in the time of knowing it is now. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with capitalists' funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East and organized corporations that create jobs. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.